Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing, of course, another hair review. This time it's from the brand Eayonhair. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. If not, it will be on the screen. And of course, everything shown in this video will be linked down below in the description bar. But let's get into this review. So I'm going to show you guys, I made a wig out of this hair that was sent to me because, as you guys know, I have very, very thin hair. And I can't crochet this hair into my hair. And it's devastating. I always see these braided hairstyles and I want to wear them so bad. And I want to be that girl with the long braids down my back. But when you got thin hair and you got hereditary baldness like I do, so as much as it makes me sad, I am grateful that I have ways that I can manipulate these hairstyles to create them for myself. And if you're like me with fine hair, you can also do the same thing. So I made a wig. So guys, each pack of hair has 40 braids in there. So that's a lot of braids in one pack. This wig cap has a lot of braids on there. I'm going to focus on, of course, doing the top of the head first so I can get it as filled in as possible. These are freaking gorgeous. I really wish I had thicker hair so I could braid my hair and crochet these into my natural hair because these are so absolutely gorgeous. They did such a great job on braiding them and they sealed off the braid at the bottom. Each braid is sealed off. I'm so impressed. I'm gonna try to get the braids to fall down in the front so that I can sort of swing them to the side. So I'm probably gonna pin them in like this so that way they fall forward. I have 3 packs of these, so like 40 each. What is that? 120? So 120 braids. Let's see what we can do. And like with this cap, don't go underneath the braid because the braids are sewn to the cap. You wanna go in the braid. So like the hair in the braid. And you're going to put the crochet loop onto the hook, close that hook, and then drag it through the braid. Go through the braid. I'm going to grab the end of this hair, put it on the hook, close that hook, and then drag it back through that loop. Be mindful because as you come up the braid, there's hair right here and you want to pull that through the loop as well because it'll get caught on the other side. So I just make sure I see that and I pull it through. There's some more down here too. And I like the fact too, because the braids are so small, there's not a big knot. The knots are really small. But I wanted to update you on where I'm at. So I decided that with this wig, I'm gonna do a side part because it'll be easier to hide the front part of the wig. So my part is gonna be right here. So these are gonna be going this way. As you guys can see, the hair is going this way. So guys, are you seeing the vision? Oh, I'm so freaking excited. I'm not even joking. So this is just one pack of hair. Still got 2 other packs. So I'm going to finish filling this wig out, and then I will come to you guys when I'm done. It's not one thing that you do, but time is precious, wanna spend it with you. You know it's good if you wanna come through. Get in my space, but you wanna stay. Everything just fades away. I purchased this wig cap from Amazon. Now, after creating this wig with this wig cap, I did notice that this has a lot of braids on there. It takes a lot of hair to fill this wig cap up. So I wouldn't recommend this wig cap for crochet braids. But if you have loose crochet hair, this is going to be the perfect cap for that kind of hairstyle. But for crochet braids, I would use a different kind of cap. Maybe just like a netted cap. So guys, this is the hair. Absolutely beautiful. So let me get into this. This is the pre-looped crochet boho box braids with double drawn Burmese hair curls. This is synthetic hair, like the braiding hair is synthetic, and then the curly hair is human, and it's the Burmese curls. So I love that because normally when you do this kind of hairstyle, and if you use the synthetic hair for this loose hair, it is going to not entangle, and it will be so unbearable after a couple of days. So I highly don't recommend using synthetic hair for the little curls, but you can definitely use synthetic hair for the braids. So these braids, they can last up to 1 year, and they come in a variety of different lengths. I got 30 inches because you know I'm a long hair, middle part bust down girly. But the hair comes in 14 inches, 18 inches, 24 inches, and 30 inches. Also, the color comes in 1B. Now, Eayonhair, they have different types of hair on the site. They have different types of crochet hair. They have dreadlocks. They have wigs. They have a lot of different hair on the site. So even if this isn't your cup of tea, they have something else on the site for you. So I was telling you guys while I was making my wig that they did an excellent job with these braids. I'm so highly impressed. Not only with the curly hair, but the actual braid itself. It is so freaking neat. And each braid is sealed off at the bottom, so it's not going to unravel. They're so neat. And they're sealed off. All of them are like tied off at the end really tightly. It's not going to unravel. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm just tucking the combs in. I should bring this one over. Oh, this hair is so... Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, hold a minute. Let me put some concealer in the parting space, just a little bit. So guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse into the hair. I'm running out. This lasted me forever. I've used this for like months. This is the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. I want to focus on getting this onto this curly hair. When you crochet the wig, really manipulating the hair a lot, so it's gonna cause a little bit of frizziness. So like doing this is gonna help slick and define the curls. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away. for a bald-headed baddie, I think I did a good job. But this is just so beautiful. So freaking beautiful. Oh my, they did such an amazing job on these braids. Such an amazing job. I hands down recommend them. Please go shop their site, you guys. This is going to save you so much time. You don't have to sit down for hours and hours and hours getting all these little braids in a small little parting spaces. You can just braid your hair back into some cornrows and click, 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 click. You'll be done real quick. It took me like maybe an hour to do this wig. Like, it's real quick and easy. So if you want to save yourself some time and some money and still get the style that you want to have, go shop these braids. So I will have this here link down below. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll get back to you. Thank you so much, Eayonhair, for sending me this hair to review. It is gorgeous. You have exceeded my expectations. It's absolutely beautiful. But I love you guys so much. I will catch you next video. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Bye, bye.